Okay, what we have here is a DV8000. So this DV8000 has a NVIDIA chip on it also, typical to the DV9000s. So our user stated that they turned the laptop on and got no picture. So our laptop didn't actually show anything on the screen, but it will show on external. Notice that it actually shows in different colors and doesn't show up properly. This, where the lines are on the screen, this is actually due to a failing chipset. This is not actually an inverter issue or a backlight issue with the LCD, as other systems are. So when we take a look at the screen, we see that the screen doesn't show anything on it, and that on an external it shows lines. That would be called artifacting through the damaged GPU or VRAM needing to be reflowed. So when this system will actually come up, it'll process the display in 8-bit colors. So you have 8-bit background and fractured or artifacting lines going across the screen right here. So we'll take this laptop apart, reflow it, and in maybe 30-45 minutes it'll actually show a picture on the screen. We'll get back to it then. So now we have this DV8000 system pretty much reflowed, and we're going to check it, see if everything's okay, see if our reflow actually worked. We're going to actually do that under Ginger's watchful eye. I'm going to make sure that this works. Let's see what she has to say. Let's see if this works. So we're going to turn it on. And actually it does. A pretty good sign there. Pretty common issue afterwards is that it's going to go into the Vista repair, but we're actually going to start it up and make certain that it does not have to be repaired. Driver issues. It's actually a Windows 7 machine. So after we check everything, we'll call it a done system. So obviously every time you have a non-video issue, and if you do hook it up to an external monitor and it shows video, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's an inverter or a backlight problem. DV9000s have the same issue, and they have that same discrete NVIDIA video, the 256 and the 512 video. So we have a cursor on the screen. We're going to see if it starts up, and most likely it will. We have a scrolling cursor, and that's going to say that we have a working system that boots into an operating system. Pretty good sign there. I'm going to call that a finished system.